first for their both cars. I will introduce first the Transformers team. Mr. Paulo Santos. What can you say of your opponent this morning?
We just won the Grand Prix at Europe, and we hope to win tonight and beat our opponent.
What can you say about your driving skills? Can you please tell the people that you have the ability to win the race?
No question about it. We just won the championship.
But I hear in the research that your opponent is a very good driver, because they're going to Herma because they have put something in their cars.
Whatever they put in their car, we have our newly engine. It's a mixed engine, diesel and gas. So it's really gonna be exciting.
Yeah, thanks. People, Paulo Santos. Now we're going to Nash Bottoms. Come on. Now, what can you say about your opponent? They say that their car is diesel gas. What can you say about yours?
Well, we use that, guys.
Let's see about the race tonight. Tanawan na ito sa sinabas sa race.
Pero kontra nga. Mura ko lamang sila kay Gikan ko sila sa Grand Prix. Unsa may kasulti for the last word sa imong opponent.
Last month, nag-race me sa Tamiya.
Tamiya Grand Prix.
I am six-time
champion.
World champion.
So, that's all.
That's all.
Okay.
Let's begin!
People, the both sides, it's very, very close match and very exciting, So I would like to greet the sponsor, Caltex, Tecran,
Aris, yung gripok na lang.
and very sponsor of